Nessie.
There's no place to hide.
Nessie.
Nope. No place to hide, and you can't hide behind.
She knows you're gonna pick her up.
I'm sorry.
Come on.
Nessie bathroom.
So much going on today. It's like a lot. 1 second. Anyways, I just have to pick up some t-shirts and aprons for the Colorado restaurant and for here. I ran a bazillion errands. Really? Nice. I guess my big to-go tipped me, which was awesome. But, yeah, I got Starbucks. I had to get Starbucks, and I got myself a sandwich at Starbucks, and just so much running around. But, oh, the reason why I've been doing so much more is, here, you guys walk with me, is because I'm leaving for Colorado in a few days, which, for those of you that know, I'm going to be there a month, so I have a lot of crap to take care of here before I leave, and a lot of stuff I have to get together to take with me, like all this is another thing. It's just a lot of preparing. It's time for bath.
Do you think we're playing?
Lily, come on, bath. Lily, 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 Lily. She knows.
Because you're going to the
You act like the cats, your claws are in my leg.
Lily, come on.
Oh my god. You're like, please don't.
Come on. Come on. No, no, this way. Come on.
She's like, but
Lily, Lily, come on. Come on.
she's like, but I really do know.
Come on.
Good luck.
Other leg. There you go.
Stay placed. This one had a quick bath. She wasn't too
Yeah.
dirty. She wasn't too dirty.
Oops. Getting the phone.
That's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay.
She's all clean though, and now we're gonna get.
Nessie's the one that really needs the bath.
Yeah, she has brown spots on her that should be black. And you would think, oh, her hair's black, dirt won't show up. But it does all the time, and it's annoying.
Whoa, 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 wasn't ready for that.
Come on, in the bathtub. She's like, no, thank you. She's on my.
I'm not gonna talk her. That's
choking
kind of nice. Okay, that didn't work. I thought maybe she would jump in on her own, but I was being a little too
Doggy weightlift.
optimistic. She's like, oh, no bath? Yes, bath. Nessie.
There's no place to hide.
Nessie.
Nope. No place to hide, and you can't
Come on.
hide behind.
She knows you're gonna pick her up.
I'm sorry.
Come on.
Nessie bathroom.
She finally made it in.
Yeah, she's angry though.
She's not angry, she's sad. Big difference.
She is sad mad.
She is appreciative but upset.
She's mad.
Wait,
Whoa.
wait. Where are you going?
She's mad.
Yeah.
Sad
It's
mad.
okay, it's okay.
She's like, stop, please, stop.
I have to
don't-
get your face.
Stop. Nessie, you gotta.
Nessie's not having a good time.
I think this is hilarious when you edit.
Poor Nessie. She's laughing at you. It's okay.
Mario.
I think we're good here.
Yeah, she's all clean.
And now, it's time for dinner at Payway, one of Zoe's favorite restaurants. Food.
I got like a crap ton of fortunes.
A few fortune cookies.
Yeah. He got 4, and he has another fortune over there somewhere. Where'd it go? Oh. But he got 2 in one of the fortune cookies, which I think is a bunch of bullcrap. And he says his suck. But mine are good. Like this one, I really don't understand this one. Okay. Boats and water are in your future. I asked him if he was gonna buy a boat.
Oh, I don't care.
Okay. I asked him if he was gonna buy a boat. Cause yeah. Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure.
I don't know. We might go fishing or something.
I've been on my phone. I've been on the phone with my dad, and all I'm hearing is this
It's
in the background.
do you get it's the Benny Hill song?
No, I haven't even been listening. I just hear the kazoo. Yeah. Because it's, I don't know, karma for being annoying. Anyways, good night. See you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. We literally just hung out at my parents' house for like 2 hours playing with the cats. Or Zoe did. I was just hanging out on the bed, but my mom and Zoe were just cats 2 hours. But anyways, this is good night. If you're gonna say good night, say it now. Good night, good night.
See you guys in the morning. Don't forget to be happy and smile.
Good night, guys. Thank you for watching.